guys, welcome back to my channel. I have yet another Dollar Tree haul for you. A little bit sooner than usual, but we needed some a couple little household items, and I needed some snacks for the week. And so we stopped in and I was able to find a few new items. So let's get started and let me show you what we got. So one of the household items we needed was toothbrushes, and if you are familiar with my Dollar Tree hauls, I do haul these from time to time. I like to get these 3-pack of the Colgate toothbrushes. They are really great. You know, it's a good, we all know Colgate is a decent brand, so can't beat 3 for $1. So I picked 2 of those up. I also picked up, now this was totally not needed, but I have seen a lot of YouTubers hauling these, and these are the Now and Later mystery mix, and they're huge bags. I don't know if you can tell. So I picked up 3 of them. The expiration is until I think 2020. So I might just keep these on hand if I need them for, you know, I'll save them for Halloween, or, you know, if I want to give my son or my husband, I was trying to say husband and son at the same time. So my husband or my son like a little treat, because they do have eggs in them. So if you are allergic or don't, you know, have any dietary issues that you don't eat eggs, these do have it in it. Always check those labels. Anyway, so I thought I would just pick these up because my Dollar Tree had finally got them and had tons of them. So like I said, I will just stash these away for whenever, you know, needed for anything. I picked up some plastic silverware. I just like to keep this on hand for, you know, once in a while for quick dinners or on the go. Okay, so next I got some snack things to get the kids and my husband through, you know, the work week and school week. These probably might even last you know, a little bit longer. But anyway, so I picked up, my son I think will like these. It is an 8-pack, which I was excited to find because sometimes they only have them in the 6-packs, and the packs are usually smaller. But these are the Buffalo Ranch like sandwich crackers, so I got those. My husband loves these, the cheddar cheese crackers. So we got those. It's the cheese crackers with the cheese in the middle. Sorry. So that I got those for him, and that was also an 8-pack. And then these are the usual sizes of the packages that I usually find. But I got this one. My daughter picked this one out for herself. These are those. They're cookies with peanut butter sandwiches. So I got those. And then I happened to spot these. These are like big shipping labels. They're actually the full size of the package here. And they're just plain white. I thought these would be great for when I'm doing Poshmark and eBay. I have some things posted on Poshmark. I'm trying to get eBay going again in case you have, you know, if you have checked it. I know I do usually link it in my videos down below. But I'm going to get that going again soon. So I just thought these would come in handy. There's 20 of them, and they're quite big. I might even be able to cut them in half and just use half of them. And that'll, you know, give me 40. And then back here, forgot to show this. They still have a lot of those like bonus package, you know, like containers and like sponges and things like that. Because I know last time I showed that I had gotten the bonus packs of my sponges. So anyways, I found these little little buckets, and I might use these like in my kitchen just for some little extra storage. And I did like that. Like I said, it was the bonus pack, and I love the white because I do have all white in my kitchen. And then I picked up another one of these. I've held these several times. These water bottles, they hold up pretty well, but once in a while they do get broken. You know, the kids drop them or whatever. And I love that they are BPA free and they hold a lot of water. So I picked up one of them. I would have picked up more, but they only had one. I'm hoping they get more soon. As summer, you know, when summer comes, they usually start carrying these more often. So I'm hoping that they will get them again. So like I said, just got one of those. And the cats are having all 3 of our cats are celebrating their birthdays this month coming up. So we got, we got one cat toy for now. We will be picking up some more things because yes, we do like to buy them some little presents for their birthdays. So we picked up this one. I thought it was cute and something that we don't have. And then over here, I also got some of these retractable card holders. I needed these for work. So it is a 3-pack, so, you know, I only needed one, but, you know, for $1 can't beat it. And then back up here, sorry not to be going up and down, but we also picked up some more succulents. Because for a while there, we were not able to find them, and now it seems like I've been finding them again, so I've just been picking them up because I just love they make a little, you know, great little decorative, you know, color pop throughout the house. So I do love them. So we picked up a few more of those. And then my daughter wanted a pair of flip-flops. I've heard these are not the greatest, but she wanted a pair, and so she picked out these. They had a ton of different designs. And I went through the pictures again just to see if there was anything new. I know I've been hauling quite a few in my last 2 Dollar Tree hauls. I'll link those down below for you guys if you haven't seen them yet. But I found this one. I thought this was cute, and I liked that it was just simple and black. And, you know, as you see, it says our kitchen is the heart of the home. So I got just one today. And then we picked up some more, 2 more of those macaron jewelry holders or whatever, you know, whatever you want to stash away in them. So we got, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but we got the purple and the blue one this time. Last time we got the teal and the pink. So we got those. And because we just love them so much, and we're glad that they still had them. So like I said, so that's why we picked up some more. And then I got these as well. I know I had taken photos of these last time, and I was kind of kicking myself that I didn't get them. So luckily they have different designs on them. So I picked up 2 of these, and I don't know if you can see how pretty they are, but it's like a not pink, sorry, silver, like sparkly, and they are glass. And what I did was I bought these battery operated candles, so I put one in there just so you could kind of see. I don't know, you know, like I said, I don't know if the camera's picking it up that great, but that is what they look like, and they are beautiful. Like I said, I did take photos of them last time in my other video. The photos will probably look a little bit better from the store, but they are so pretty, and they just look so fancy. And for $1, I mean, I don't think anybody would ever realize that these were $1 because they're just so beautiful. And then I have seen a lot of YouTubers hauling these, and these are, and I know in my cleaning video that I did, I said I do not need any more Post-its or notepads or anything, but these were just so cute, just had to have them. They'd also be cute for like decorating planners and stuff like that. So my daughter wanted one as well, so we got 2 of these, the lemonade ones, and they're so cute. They have the little lemon and the lime and the little mason jar with the lemonade in it. And then I also picked up one of these, of course, because of course it's coffee. So it's the coffee cup with the little donut. I just thought they were so adorable. They had a ton of other ones. So, you know, be on the lookout in your Dollar Trees. And they were like on the back of an end cap. I know different Dollar Trees put things in different places, but keep your eyes peeled for these because they weren't in the regular like notepad section where you would think they would be. But like I said, all stores are different. So, you know, definitely, you know, keep your eye out. And then last thing was I found these bandanas, and these were, they always do sell bandanas, but these were actually in the summer section. And I loved the colors because these are colors that we use in our kitchen a lot. This like bluish color and some pink. And I do not use paper napkins. We use mostly cloth napkins all the time. And some of the ones that I have been kind of getting a little bit, you know, a little old. So I needed something new. So I thought these would be great because I've heard people sometimes will use bandanas for cloth napkins. And so what I did was I bought, each pack has 1 of the pink and 1 of the blue. So I picked up 4 packs. So that way I have 4 pink and 4 blue. And we will have, you know, we can either mix and match or use 4 of one color. And I just thought they were great. I mean, can't, you know, for 50 cents each, you know, and it's a great way to save. And, you know, especially this month, it's Earth Day and everything. So always looking for ways to save on the, you know, save and not be using a lot of paper products. You know I do buy some at times. But anyway, so, you know, like I said, these colors are just so beautiful. So that was everything for this Dollar Tree haul. Hope you enjoyed seeing what we got this week. And who knows, I may be back next week again because they've just been having so many new things. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know, you know, leave your comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what you guys have found at your Dollar Trees and if you've been able to find any of these things. And don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And hit that bell button so you know when I am uploading. And as always, I really thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.